Mahaprabhu came to Malda. After then he met with Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami. Okay. So Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami, they spoke to Mahaprabhu. This time so huge people, big crowd, no need to go this way. So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu come back. After then, again he went Vrindavan Dham. That time not going. After then, Mahaprabhu came to Jagannath Puri. Dirgata Rahita Charila Vrindavan. Lukaiya Charila Ratre na jane kono jan. At that time, Mahaprabhu took Balabhadra Bhattacharya. Then, in the night time, Mahaprabhu went on the way, going to Jagannath Puri, to Vrindavan Dham. Because so big crowd on the way, Mahaprabhu don't want to take them. On the way, Jharikhanda Pathe, Khasi Aila Nanarangi. With Balabhadra Bhattacharya, Mahaprabhu came to Jharikhanda. 4 दिन काशी ते रही गेला वृंदावन, मथुरा देखी द्वादश स्थान. 4 days only Kashi Dham. After then he went Vrindavan. First Mathura and Dadas Bhan in Brajabhumi. Leela स्थल देखी प्रेमी भैला अस्थिर. बलभद्र कैल तारे मथुरा रबाई. गंगा तीर पथे लैया प्रयागे आइला. सिरु प्रभु रे आसे तथाई मिलिला. Then Mahaprabhu came to Prayag. When Mahaprabhu came in Prayag, the Sassamedi heard, so Rupa Goswami come in there. Dandavat kari Rup bhumite padila, Param Anande Prabhu alingana kaila. Sirupe Sikha karai Pathan Vrindavan, Apane karila Varanasi agama. After then, Mahaprabhu teached to Rupa Goswami. Then he said to him in Vrindavan. After then, Mahaprabhu came Varanasi. In Varanasi, Mahaprabhu lived there 2 months. And Mahaprabhu teached to Sanatana Goswami. After then he went Mathura, gave mercy to sannyasi. 6 vatsar Prabhu ichi. Karila Vilas, Prabhu iti uti dhar, Gati Kabuk Kshetra Vas. There Mahaprabhu 6 years passed. going here, there. Sometimes leave him in Jagannath Puri. Anande Bhakta Sange Sada Kirtana Vilas. In this way, Mahaprabhu did Kirtan, Jagannath Darshan Premira Vilas. Madhya Lilar Kailu Ei Sutra Vivara, Anta Lilar Sutra Eve Suna Bhakta. This is Madhya Lila Sutra. Now, Anta Lila Sutra speaking again. Vrindavan hoite jadi নীলাচলে আইলা 18 বর্ষ তা বাস কাহা nahi gela. After Vrindavan, Mahaprabhu came to Nilachal, lived there 18 years in Jagannath Puri, never going here there. প্রতিবর্ষ আইছেন তাহা গৌরীর ভক্তগণ, 4 মাস রহে প্রভুর সঙ্গে সম্মিলন. Every year, Gauriya Bhakta, they are coming from Bengal. So 4 months they are living with Mahaprabhu. Nirantar Nitya Geet Kirtana Vilas, Achandale Prema Bhakti Karila Prakas. In this way, Nitya Geet Kirtan. So 4 months in this way, living with devotee. Pandit Gosai Koila Nilachale Vas, Bakreshwar Damodar Shankar Haridas, Jagadananda Bhavananda Govinda Kashishar, Paramananda Puriyar Sarup Damodar, Kshetravasi Ramananda Rai Praviti, Prabhu Sange Isham Nitya Kaila Sthiti. There are Gadadhar Pandit, Bakreshwar Damodar Shankar Haridas, Jagadananda Bhavananda Govinda Kashishar, Paramananda Puri Sarup Damodar, Rai Ramananda, other devotees, everyone they live in Jagannath Puri. Advaita Nityananda Mukunda Srivas, Vidyanidhi Vasudev Murari Jatada. Advaita Prabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Mukunda Srivas Pandit, Vidyanidhi, Vasudev Murari, all devotees, they are going and coming every year. They live 4 months with Mahaprabhu. Haridase Siddhi Prapti Adbhuta Seshav, Apani Mahaprabhu Yar Kaila Mahotsav. After then Haridas Thakur, he disappeared. So Mahaprabhu took festival, he did festival. তবে রূপ গোসাইয়ের পুনরাগমন, তার হৃদয় পাইল প্রভুর শক্তি সঞ্চারণ. So Rup Goswami came to Jagannath Puri, then Mahaprabhu gave inspirations to him. তবে ছোট দাসে প্রভু কইল দণ্ড, দামোদর পণ্ডিত কইল प्रभु के बात दंड. So Mahaprabhu gave punishment to Chota Haridas. तभी सनातन गोसाई पुनरागमन, ज्येष्ठ मासे प्रभु तारे कइल परीक्षण. After that, Sanatana Goswami came to Mahaprabhu. In the Jyeshtha Mas summer season, Mahaprabhu came to Jagannath Puri. Sanatana Goswami came to Jagannath. Then Mahaprabhu took taste. After that, Mahaprabhu said to Sanatana Goswami, you can go to Vrindavan. Advaite rahate Prabhur adbhuta bhujan, Nityananda sange yukti kariyane priti, তারে পাঠাইলা গৌরে प्रेम प्रचारिते। Mahaprabhu said to Nityananda Prabhu in Gaudis, तबे तो वल्लभ भट्ट प्रभु रे मिलिला, कृष्ण नामेर अर्थ प्रभु तारे कहिला। One time Sri Vallabhacharya came to Mahaprabhu. Then Mahaprabhu spoke Krishna name meaning. Pradyumna Mishra Prabhu Ramananda Sthane Krishna Katha Sunaila Paitare Gune. One time Pradyumna Mishra wants to listen Ramananda Katha. Mahaprabhu sent him, okay, you can go there, he is speaking. After that, he heard all Krishna Katha. Gopinath Pattanayak Ramananda Prata Raja Marite Chilo Prabhu Vairatrata. Ramchandra Puri Bhaye Bhikha Ghatailo Vaishnavera Dukha Dekhe Ardhika Rakhila. One time Ramchandra Puri was abused to Mahaprabhu, then Mahaprabhu fasting, not eating. After then all Vaishnavas, they request more, then Mahaprabhu took something. Brahmanda Vitare Hoy Chodda Bhuvane Vaishe Jatha Jivgan Manusher Visdhari Jatrike Rachhari Prabhu darshan kare asi Neelachari. Whole universe, so many demigods, demigoddesses, and so many persons. They are like travelers in this way. Coming, they have seen to Mahaprabhu. In this way, Mahaprabhu gave mercy to them. एक दिन शिवासादि जत भक्तगण महाप्रभुर गुण गाइया करे न कीर्तन। सुनी भक्तगणे कही सक्रोध वचन, कृष्ण नाम गुण छाड़ी की कर कीर्तन। Pandit Srivas Pandit did kirtan about Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu was angry. Why not doing kirtan Krishna? Why chanting my name? दस्ती के कोटि कोटि लोग हैं न काले, जय कृष्ण चैतन्य बले हरे कोला हरे. At that time, everyone they are speaking, Jai Gaur Hari, Jai Sachidananda Gaur Hari. जय जय महाप्रभु ब्रजेंद्र कुमार, जगत तारिते प्रभु तुम्हार अवतार. बहुत दूर भैते आइनु भैया बड़ार्थ, दर्शन दिया प्रभु करह कृतार्थ. सुनिया लोकेर दैन्य द्रविला हृदय, বাইরিয়া সে দর্শন দিলা দয়াময়. গৌরাঙ্গ মহাপ্রভু give darshan to everyone. বাউ তুলে বলে প্রভু বল হরে হরে, উঠিল শ্রী হরে ধ্বনি চতুর্দিক ভরে. প্রভু দেখি প্রেমী লোক আনন্দিত মন, প্রভুকে ঈশ্বর বলি করে স্তবন. स्तव सुनी प्रभु के कैन श्रीनिवास, घरे गुप्त हुआ केने बाहिरे प्रकाश. के सिखाइल यही लोके कहे कौन बात. प्रभु, you are hiding here, but outside how can manifest to everyone? Say everyone, they are chanting, singing your name. How manifested? या सवारी मुख ढका दिया राखो हाथ. सूर्य जन उदय करे चाहे लोग आए थे, বুঝিতে না পারি তোমার ওই চরিতে। प्रभु कैल सेवा छाड़ विडम्बना, सभी मिली कर मोर कत लांछना। এত বলি লোকে করে শুভ দৃষ্টি দান, অভ্যন্তরে গেলা লোকের পূর্ণ হইল কাম। রঘুনাথ দাস নিত্যানন্দ পাশে গেলা, চিড়াত মহোৎসব তাই করিলা। তার আজ্ঞা লইয়া গেলা প্রভুর চরণে, প্রভু তারে সমর্পিলা স্বরূপের স্থলে। রঘুনাথ দাস গোস্বামী, he cannot come to Jagannath Puri. Always policemen catch him going back. One day Mahaprabhu, Raghunath came to Panihati. Nityananda told Raghunath, oh, after a long time you are coming. Today we are giving punishment to you. Okay, you can manage today prasadam. Chipped rice and dahi, fruit, sweet, and this. So, Nityananda Prabhu. Then Raghunath Das Goswami made big festival. Give prasadam to Nityananda Prabhu, Chiladahi Mahotsav. Then Nityananda Prabhu gave order, okay, very quickly you are going. After then, Raghunath came to Jagannath Puri, live with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. तारा गलैया गेला प्रभुर चरणे, प्रभु तारे समर्पिला स्वरूपेर स्थाने। Mahaprabhu took him, gave to Sarup Damodar, you can protect this Raghunath. Brahmananda Bharatir Kuchaila Charmambar, এই মত লীলা কইল 6 বৎসর। এই তো কইল মত লীলার সূত্রগান, শেষ 12 বৎসরে শুনবি বরণ। In this way 6 years Mahaprabhu did kirtan and leave Jagannath Puri. 6 years went to South India, North India. After then 6 years, he lived with devotees and did Harinam Sankirtan. In this way, 6 years, total 12 years. After 12 years, then Antarila. So, Kaviraj Goswami was speaking next chapter, this Antarila Sutra. Shirup Raghunath Padejayas Chaitanya Charitamrita Taye Krishna Das. Iti Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Khandi Madhya Leela Sutra Bharanam Nama Prathama Parichita। এইখানে রইল গ্রন্থ অমৃত লহরী, বদন ভরিয়া সবে বল হরে হরে।